It's your travel agent, David, and we are staying in the NH Collection, Helsinki Grand Hansa. And this hotel is phenomenal and centrally located to all the sites. It's beautiful. The staff is just so friendly. Let's go check it out. There's so many great things about it. One, you're right around the corner to the train station. You're like 2 blocks away from Senate Square. You're about 2.5 blocks away from the New Market. So that's where you can pick up all the sightseeing tours to go to the forts or just do an archipelago cruise. It's like a really great location. Cool. They got 3 different kinds of candy, some apples, some water, all free. They do have a restaurant. Breakfast is 25 euros and then it goes to 32 if you just show in. So we just opted to get breakfast out on the street and enjoy some local cuisine. It was really nice. So we just got to our room here at the NH Collection Helsinki Grand Hansa. So when you come in, they don't have a closet. Your closet is right here. There is a drawer right here and some space here for some extra storage if you want it. You got your coffee set up right here. Right here, you have a refrigerator, and it even comes with Toblerone. It's probably $40, but it's there if you want it. You got 3 doors. This middle one has a safe in it. It's laptop size, which is really nice. Now we make our way to the bathroom. We have a nice walk-in shower with rain shower head and a regular shower head. And a decent amount of space here, but you've got all this right here that you can use for extra storage. Now, as we come through the room, we've got a king bed with 2 nightstands. I love the high ceilings. They're really high. And all the ambient lighting around here really classes it up. Now, let's talk about electricity. So here they have no USB-C outlets. So you're gonna have to make sure that you bring enough Euro plugs to make sure that things work for you. Now you do have a TV with a sound bar. That's pretty nice as well. And the view in this room, not too bad. Check it out. Look at me, I just start pulling stuff and you can actually come out. I don't think you're supposed to, but you can come out here and check out. Looks like you got a lot of stuff going on over here, but let me get inside before I get in trouble. You gotta check this out. There's like a little doggy door here. I guess it's because you can't open up the windows this way. Maybe it'll allow you to adjust the room in here because you probably don't have AC here in Finland. Although the temperature is pretty nice in the hotel, so I don't know. But check it out. I just looked at the next door, just in case you have a bigger dog.